Hey guys, Billy back, Marine Pro Service. Sounds like my last name's back. It's not. This is a new filter from Mercury, QuickSilver, that will go back in place of the nasty one we just took off. We're going to put a little oil on the quad ring that seals it against the bottom of the block. And then you can see the filtration element down inside there. It's kind of like asking for a bottle of Grey Poupon. We're going to put this one on, still hanging upside down, but it's a lot more fun than having to take that other one off. There again, we're going to pause it so you don't hear this language either.